on bank 4.
Let's do bank 4.
All right, good center.
Good shot. You hit it high.
Okay.
You made him jump.
3 o'clock.
Full dead.
Yeah, you know what happened there.
Number 2.
Off his breast.
Got a 10 lift me up.
I don't know what.
Did you shade it down?
Just touch low.
Good.
Would have been in the bottom of the
Yeah, I
body.
shaded it just a little.
Yeah, that's all you needed to do.
Okay.
I can't see the rod.
Number
Rail,
3.
you almost shook it off there, though. You rattled his chain, but you were right down on the rail.
It's gonna come back. It's getting brighter.
That'd be high in the back, wasn't it?
Yeah, you were,
That one was right there.
at
I
least
think
up
this
here.
was, you're gonna
these
laugh
are.
right there.
yeah, it was very high.
Watch them
But
round.
we'll take it. Like I said, I can't
I think the wind pushed you over a bit, sweetheart. Green
see it. Okay, it's back. 9 o'clock.
I'll take it,
Number 4.
9.
Unofficially, I am now an A-class shooter.
3rd chicken standing.
Yes, you are.
Center of the rail again.
Okay, you got the same wind coming out at 8 o'clock. Yeah, switching them.
Rod.
Yeah, back to 8. Shaded a tad left.
I think it was in the breast.
We're still at 9 o'clock.
Good spotting.
Right there, blue pin.
Good. 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 You're helping me a lot, hon. Because I'm doing what you're telling me to.
Ha!
Yeah,
Number
your offense
4.
back. Elevation was good.
9. Center low.
Lots
Yeah, I
of time.
think when I moved over
Minute
to the
10.
slinger, that put me on bank 3.
Yeah,
So,
it'll be interesting to see where you hit. Big on bank.
You shot between 3 and 4. Or, and down by the rail.
Raj.
so yeah, I would have had.
9.
I would have gone home with a pin. Maybe I still can.
Maybe.
Yeah,
Timer.
get it tomorrow.
32.
No, I could get a 5 pig pin if I hit 5 in a row again.
That's true.
Good hole.
Oh man, my back is stiff.
You got one?
You're
got
under
one.
the rail.